This is part 2 of the pack opening. I'm so close to it. Like, it'd be even better if I do part 2. Because, like, I'll be able to get that 125k pack. Then, this track is definitely after this video. I accidentally, ended the video last time while doing the outro. Instead of pausing it by mistake. Oh, I think I hit 11k. Oh no, not on Instagram. 27k, yes. Oh no, on YouTube, I mean. Okay, is there 150k packs? I'm just gonna check that. Special pack. Come on. 125k. It's a wall. Oh. What does that do? Okay, is there any 15k packs now? Oh my god, like. Okay, that's the video, guys. So I'll show you my Instagrams. Here it is. I'm changing my name. So Ryan Dillon _Rovers #1. Then there is Stephen Tyrrell _210. And there's 3 posts though. Then my brother Kane _Dillon _9. He's the most famous on Instagram. 1,620 that we have. And that's the end of the video, guys. Like, subscribe, and what's the next word? I think you know yourself.